The recording?
Yeah.
Tell the camera what Daddy's doing.
Daddy is cutting the trees.
Oh man, my shoulders are burning.
Yes, they are. I can see you sweating. I can tell that's really hard. Don't you think that you should quit and just take a little break?
I need some water, I'm cramping.
I got some water back here. Like a sit.
I'll get it, buddy.
You want to sit, chap? You like,
Getting close, we're about halfway there.
you're almost done.
That got broken from the huge snowstorm where we got 13 inches of snow.
He's cutting off the trees. Why are you cutting off the trees? You're gonna kill them. Why are you cutting them off? Great question. Why?
Because the branch is dead, and I'm trying to get it off completely so our tree looks better.
Oh, good.
Y'all know to stay away from the tree, right? So you don't get bonked in the head?
Yeah.
So we will have to go to the hospital where the doctor would attend.
I can't believe you can go that high. What you doing?
That's it.
You're cracking.
I'm dying.
Why did you say heads up? Is it gonna fall on your head?
Why do you want to take your...
Coleman, put your shorts on.
Well, they're too wet.
Coleman's underwear is so nasty, and I'm recording it on channel 2.